So, whether or not we ever get a foldable iPhone or iPad or whatever Apple decides to do, because I have not talked about this concept at all, because I feel like everyone just sends rumor mills out there on what Apple might do, but no one actually knows, okay? There's speculation upon speculation upon speculations. Until they give us a patent that we can look through, break down, and establish. And that's what we have here. This is a patent filed from Apple of a foldable iPhone and other devices. Meaning that this could end up being an iPad, an iPhone. They're just thinking about the idea. Now, surprisingly enough, this patent is really weird, okay? So, the foldable display would technically be the full actual phone. So this is one of those weird concepts, kind of like the tri-foldable phone concepts, where the outside display and the inside display is all one. It's not separate. It's not like you have an outer display and an inner display. No. So as you can see from this patent, the outer display curves inside the phone and it all becomes one display. Now, of course, the problem with this and the problem with this idea that has been going on, I feel like forever now, is that when you do this, it doesn't work. It just doesn't. Because durability is always an issue. You can't put this in your pocket. You can't put it in a bag because the outside display is always going to be exposed. Now, of course, if by the time Apple does go ahead and release this, like, 750 years in the future, maybe at that time the foldable displays will be have enough actual resistance to them that they'll be able to survive being an outside display. But again, like I said, I just don't think this is ever going to work. It's such a weird concept. It really is. And Apple kind of trying to go after this is the most Apple type of aspect you could think of. This is what Apple would do. So you have that. You have a triple panel double fold, which is a tri-foldable phone, but instead of it going horizontally, it goes vertically. Because that really makes no sense at all. Then you have a tri-foldable phone, which actually has three separate... Actually, wait. So this one would be triple panel. So it's three separate panels. But it's going to be a double fold. So there's two hinges. Which is what a tri-foldable phone is. And then this one would be a quad panel triple fold. So this one would have 4 screens. So 4 screens, 3 screens, and then 2 screens. Apple. You guys can never just make things basic, can you? Again, like I said, these are just concepts. These are just patents that were filed by Apple. And the thing is, right, so most of these patents, that affordable phone patents, were filed by Apple in 2015. Now, since 2015, they have filed new patents. These are the new patents. But for a foldable phone patent, they filed them back in 2015 before the whole craze started. It's just these are the newer ones that are now, they're adding to their foldable phone patents. And these are the 3 brand new ones. And again, like I said, it is interesting. I don't know if this is ever going to actually hit the market. I know, again, there's a lot of claims. A lot of people think, oh yeah, Apple's going to join the foldable phone market. Maybe they will. Maybe they will. Maybe they won't. At the end of the day, right now, all I see is like random shots in the dark at this point. Like, I'm not seeing a realistic look of what an foldable iPhone, a foldable iPad would look like. So, again, for right now, everything is speculation still. Even the idea that they're joining the foldable phone market is speculation. But these ideas I see on the screen right now, I just don't think they're ever going to come to light. I really don't. I have my doubts, and maybe I'm incorrect. And hey, listen, I hope I am, because I'm not gonna lie to you, I would really love to see a quad panel triple foldable phone. That would be kind of funny to look at, but maybe Apple will do so. Tim Cook is crazy enough to do something like that, but I'll see you guys in the next one.